Good morning. Video message for Anne. Hello Anne. Thank you for buying my absolutely beautiful Dolmar 111 vintage chainsaw. So I'm going to miss this girl. She's just in staggering condition. 1986, so she's 35 years old this year, and the saw I've never cut with. And I know I haven't had a chance to do a video of the saw, so she's not been started in about 3 weeks. So we move the camera and do a little baby walk around for you. So it has the original Dolmar guide bar in beautiful condition, and that's an original Dolmar branded semi-chisel chain, fully adjustable chain oiler, beautifully clean everywhere. That's all original chain catcher, looks in great condition as well, and all the metal work, all the bolts, all the screws, all bright and shiny. It's just not had that type of use. New pull cord, original filler caps, all the labels perfect. The handle wrap is absolutely perfect. Chain brake excellent. And then around to the front, this gorgeous clean exhaust and all the paintwork on the front of the engine, excellent. Original felling spike, nice and bright and undamaged. And the underside. Air filters present and in excellent condition. Put this back on the mount. I'll try to. Okay, so not been started for, I think, perhaps maybe it's 3 weeks, give or take. Always starts the same way: choke, kill switch, throttle lock, everything working on the saw. Fires, choke off. So that's starting after genuinely 3 weeks from stone cold, no priming, not doing anything to the saw, and you come back and pick it up. Make sure that's off. Fantastic compression. All the plastics around the saw, the covers, are all completely, as far as I can tell, undamaged. She's been simply the most immaculate 111, apart from a tiny bit of paint flake where people put them on their side. But other than that, she's just... Hope you love the saw. If it's going into a collection, I have no doubt you're going to love this saw. She's just in stunning condition all the way around. And again, only gone because a couple of her older brothers and sisters are arriving, quite a few years older than this as well. Okay, many thanks again. Hope you love the saw, and I hope we deal again. Bye for now.